all ancient Semitic languages, including Hebrew, Moabite, Canaanite, Phoenician, Amorite, and others, use the same alphabet, what we know today as Hebrew. This alphabet evolved over time, but began as a pictographic script similar to Egyptian hieroglyphs. The oldest inscription found using this pictographic script is the Wadi el-Hol inscription. This inscription was discovered in 1999 and dates to about 2000 BC. The inscription has not officially been deciphered, but my interpretation is Rav kum v'hog meha'a me'ir. Many rise and toil from Ha'ah, from the city. This pictographic script later evolved into what has become known as Paleo-Hebrew, such as can be seen in the Mesha stele, also called the Moabite stone, which is dated to about 800 BC and is written in the Moabite language, a language almost identical to Biblical Hebrew. This Paleo-Hebrew script was used by most Semitic peoples, including the Hebrews. The Hebrew people continued to use the Paleo-Hebrew into the 1st century A.D., as can be seen on the coins minted in Israel from this time. But they also adopted the Aramaic square script, which evolved out of the Paleo-Hebrew script, and was used in many of the Dead Sea Scrolls and other writings of the 1st century BC and the 1st century AD. A slightly evolved form of the Aramaic square script is the origin of the modern Hebrew alphabet.